Wake up every morning, thank the Lord and take a beat. Before I brush my teeth, gotta see if my project leak. Drowning out our sorrows, holy water lost at sea. Stacking all this squalor, I might cop us up.
Good morning guys, welcome back to another video. Look what arrived. So today's video I will be eye swatching every single shade, and I will also be showing you the swatches for them as well, just on my arm. So I'm excited to share it with you. I am so excited. I also created this makeup look here. I will zoom you in so you can see it. It is so pretty. So this makeup look is using this palette, and that is the next tutorial that I'll be uploading. So expect it in like 2 days, 3 days. And yeah, I really can't wait to share it with you because it's so easy and beautiful. I'm also using a whole heap of other XO Beauty makeup products on my face. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Let's get right into the swatching. At the end of the swatches, I will give you a little quick review of what I think of this palette, because now I have swatched everything and I've also used it once on my face. So yeah, I'll give you a little review at the end. Let's get into the swatches.
Wake up every morning, thank the Lord and take a beat. Before I brush my teeth, gotta see if my project leak. Drowning out our sorrows, holy water lost at sea. Stacking all this squalor, I might cop a submarine. Before I see the birds, I check my tweets. Don't expect no warning text from me. Drowning out our sorrows, holy water lost at sea. Stacking all this squalor, I might cop a submarine. Wake up every morning, all I ever do is drink. Top floor, if I was you like hot to sweet. Try to hit my, I said he gon' pull up, best on. Now on the water, I'll just throw it Louis Greens. Green tea sipping this how I start my day. Hey, if I lose myself, I'll find a way. Got this little brown skin shorty, stay a block away. Try to kill my vibe, but couldn't do it, not today. Pull up, those MIA. Then I hit the course and stay in shape. Cruising in my Honda, I'm just trying to get some space. I don't want no drama, but that's mainly cause I wake up every morning, thank the Lord and take a beat. Before I brush my teeth, gotta see if my project leak. Drowning out our sorrows, holy water lost at sea. Stacking all this squalor, I might cop a submarine. Before I see the birds, I check my tweets. Don't expect no warning text from me. Drowning out our sorrows, holy water lost at sea. Stacking all this squalor, I might cop a submarine.
Can I trust my emotions? Is it the heat of the moment? Cause my heart just exploded when I saw your face. Cause your eyes held me captive. Ooh, I ain't asking for ransom, and I'm still not reacting. What am I waiting for? Am I afraid, I wanna talk to you. I should've known, I should've stopped for you. Ooh. I've been waiting for a girl like you, but I don't know if I should make a move. Cause I may never come back here, and I may never see you again, but I won't forget that ocean blue. Your ocean blue. There's some things that I know about you. Number one's that you got options, cause any guy would be free falling. Lucky to have you. Number two's that you're real, girl. Messy bun, my ideal girl. And number three is the deep blue sea that is looking back at me. Am I afraid, I wanna talk to you. I should've known, I should've stopped for you. I've been waiting for a girl like you, but I don't know if I
I was thinking about it, you know, like, what would have happened if I turned around and said something?
I've been waiting for a girl like you now, but I don't know if I should make a move, 'cause I may never come back here, and I may never see you again, but I won't forget that ocean blue. Your ocean blue. Blue.
Happy raps. Yeah. I done caught a wave at a young age. Niggas getting paid doing dumb things. Making little money and they act strange. All these girls really want one thing. I like them just like my coffee. All of these girls go to Starbucks. Yeah. All of these girls up in college. I like them smart with no drama. I do find a girl, make her smile, make her happy. Get a ring, make a child start film. Happy raps is going viral to the Grammys. I might need to drop an album for the Grammys. Like, yeah. She met me in college, I knew her, that's true. I'ma be home soon, let's go get coffee for two. She liked me soon as she met me. I knew as soon as I met her. I took my shot, feel like Reddit. Come be with a king like a Redder, it's true. She golden early, that's prophecy. I need a power, that's down for me. To make my good days my better days. I ordered peach green tea lemonade. I might just post up at the Starbucks, maybe hit the drive-thru. Yeah. You can hit me with the drop pin, in case I can't find you. Yeah. She said she met me in college, I knew her, that's true. I'ma be home real soon, let's go get coffee for two.
For my mama, when I finally make it, take all my vacations to Bahamas, always celebrating. Ever since my birthday was the bomb, and now I'm detonating. No, you can't relate, you just can't relate. Every day I wake up like a boss, and I be thanking Jesus. Fakers trying to get up in my circle, I don't really need them. We been saying we up next forever, now we really mean it. We about that action, acting bad shit when you see us, yeah. I'm passionate, I work hard so when it pop, it ain't on accident. Yeah, I'm always on go, better watch how I go. Don't forget to let you know I be ballin'. I would drop it out, buy a house in New Orleans. Up the ante and I'm sure I'm important. Win a Grammy, I be ballin' like I'm Jordan. While you hear the snoring, I be busy scoring. I would drop it out, buy a house in New Orleans. Up the ante and I'm sure I'm important. Win a Grammy, I be ballin' like I'm Jordan. While you hear the snoring, I be busy ballin', 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 ballin'. Yeah, I be busy ballin', ballin', ballin'. Ooh, boy, I be cashing checks like it ain't shit. Loose leaf in it. When we go out, always in the VIP. Whole crew be lit. Running my money up, running. Watch it up in the sky. I ain't picking up. That's $6 on the line.
So now I'm going to jump into a quick little review of this palette. Sorry, it's the wrong way. So I've swatched all of the colors and I've even done one look, which I have right now on. And here are my thoughts, if I can get it open, there we go, of the palette. So this palette has 12 shadows in it and they are absolutely stunning. I love everything about this palette. I do love the message behind it, why it was created. I love nature so much. So when someone pairs nature and makeup together, it is just the power duo for me, okay? It gets me every time. Every time it will get me. If it has animals on it, flowers on it, it just sucks me in. It's got me. I do love this. My favorite two shades are these two right here. I would pronounce them for you. I have been practicing, but I don't think I pronounced them right. I can say Manuka, but yeah. So I love these two shadows. They are by far my favorite. The main thing that I really love about this palette is the shimmer shadows are more shimmer glittery based than metallic based. I hope that makes sense. But they don't seem to have that metallic sort of look. They have much more of a shimmery, glittery, flecks of sparkle shining through, and that is what I love the most. I think it looks so flattering on everyone's eyes, especially in the daylight. So that's my favorite part of these shadows. I just love the shimmers so stinking much. They look beautiful in the pan, but when you put them on your eye, delicious, absolutely delicious. I am obsessed. I can't stop looking at the shimmers on my eyelid at the moment. It's just perfection. So the other thing I really love about this palette is that it is something that's not going to just sit in my drawer. A lot of my palettes will just sit in my drawer because they have a lot of unwearable colors that I might just pick in every now and then. But this palette has so many different colors that I would be constantly using every day. So they've got all my basic colors that for my daily needs, and they've also got some pop of colors which I really love when I want to glam it up, and the shimmers are to die for. I am thinking of doing a natural look with this, extremely natural look. So a natural glam, like very minimal but glam, you know? Like most of my looks, they're very basic but with a little twist of glam. So yeah, I love this. I think the art is absolutely stunning. I was trying to think of a negative of this palette and I couldn't think of anything. I ordered the palette and it shipped out by the end of the day. What? I love Shannon. She is the reason why I even do makeup. She is the main person who inspired me to create my channel, to do all my makeup looks. She is the one. She is the one who taught me what I know, basically. So this is just really special to me and I appreciate it so much. Yeah, anyway, I'm rambling. I love this palette, can't think of any negatives. And the pan sizes were so much bigger than I was expecting. For some reason I thought like ColourPop style pans, so like a little bit smaller, but these are massive. I do not have the Heaps of Sweets palette. I've only got this palette, so I may need to get that in the future, who knows. So yeah, that's my quick little review. Let me know in the comments if you picked up this palette and what looks you're going to create with it. I can't wait to play around with it more. I'm gonna go now because I'm literally sweating. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it and I'll see you in a few days for a new video, which will be this eye look. So I'll see you soon. Okay, thanks, bye.
Wake up every morning, thank the Lord and take a beat. Before I brush my teeth, gotta see if my project leak.